Hello guys, this is Ruokoro Music Academy. Welcome to this channel. I'm going to do a praise song. Tarira uone oro Munesimba Tarira Jesu. It's in the key of F sharp. It's fairly simple praise. And then I'm going to play it first and then come back and break it down for you guys. So you have something like this. That's all. What I'm doing is I'm doing a 1, then to a 4 chord, to a 4 chord again, then to a 1/5, then a 5, then a 4, then a 1. This is a basic approach to the song. I'm just going to do a basic approach on this. I'm not going to go deeper into it. So you have something like this. You see that? So what I'm doing is to my 4 chord, then I also go back to my 4 chord at the same time, and a 1/5, then I go to a 5 chord, and then a 2 chord, then back to this 1 chord again. That's all to the song. If you want to play Munesimba or Tarira uone, this is how you can play it. This is fairly simple. Thank you guys for watching. This was a short lesson on Tarira uone / Munesimba Tarira Jesu. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to like and also to share this information on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Ruokoro Music Academy. Thank you for watching.